Hi, my name is Daniel, a product specialist at Streamstar. Today I'm going to guide you through Streamstar's built-in media player. The media player is a standard feature across the complete Streamstar's product line. It's simple, easy to use, and it's great for playing back commercials or videos in your production. So let's get started. Open up the Media tab in the Content Management area. This opens the Media pane, which gives you full control of the media player elements. You can select a directory so that you can load in different media folders for different shows. Your media player will load a list, and each item has its own controls. Clicking on an item's thumbnail will take that media live to air, and it will indicate it's on air via a red box around the preview thumbnail and a countdown timer. After the media file has played through, the system will automatically go back to the camera input selected for the Autocut. You can change which camera to come back to by simply clicking on the gray Autocut bar. If you need to come out early from a media file, just click on the camera preview window to have the system come back to the camera immediately. With each media item, you have a number of features and controls. The first is the Inout Points editor. Click on the Media Inout Points Edit button, and the Media Inout Points Editor pane will open. Here you can set new Inout points for the Streamstar system to use without altering the original file. That way, if you're handed a file that needs to be trimmed up, or you just need a section of a file, you can easily edit the Inout points on the media file for your broadcast. You can also reset the Inout points back to original by clicking on the red Reset Inout button. Once done, just click on the Media Inout Edit button again to go back to the media pane. Clicking on the eye icon activates the live preview of the media file. It allows you to watch a preview of the media in the thumbnail window. Next is the Assign to Playlist button. This will open a window which allows you to add the media to an existing playlist or create and name a new playlist. Now you can create a whole commercial break by simply adding media to a playlist. There is no limit on the number of playlists that you can create, and there is no limit on the number of files that you can put in each playlist. You can also set each media file to play once or loop by clicking on the Playback Loop button. The Audio On-Off button allows you to mute the media audio playback. Speaking of audio, the media player has its own fader on the built-in audio mixer, which allows you to adjust the level of playback of media files played either from the media player or from the playlist system. The media player is a powerful built-in tool, providing professional quality results while retaining ease of operation in a simple one-person workflow. To learn more about Streamstar and watch our other videos, please visit our website at streamstar.com. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.